The tech world is currently standing on the edge of a massive shift, and at the epicenter of this earthquake is a small, unassuming silver box that has quietly become Apple's most disruptive piece of hardware. We're talking about the Mac Mini, specifically the highly anticipated M5 generation. For years, the Mac Mini was the budget option, the entry point for those who wanted Mac OS without the $1,000 price tag of a MacBook. But something changed recently. Apple realized that by putting their most powerful silicon into this compact chassis, they weren't just making a desktop, they were making a monster. As we move deeper into 2026, the rumors surrounding the M5 Mac Mini are no longer just whispers. They are full-blown leaks that suggest Apple is about to redefine what a small form factor computer can actually do. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. If you've been holding off on a desktop upgrade, the data coming out of the supply chain in Cupertino suggests your patience is about to be rewarded in ways we didn't think were possible at this price point. The M5 chip isn't just a marginal iteration like we've seen in some previous years. It represents a fundamental change in how Apple handles heavy-duty processing and artificial intelligence. Insiders are pointing toward a new manufacturing process that allows for significantly higher transistor density, which translates to a chip that runs cooler while delivering nearly 30% more multi-core performance than the already impressive M4. But the real headline for the 2026 Mac Mini is how Apple is positioning it for the AI era. With Apple Intelligence becoming the core of the macOS experience, the neural engine in the M5 is rumored to be twice as fast as anything we've seen before. This means local LLM processing, real-time video upscaling, and complex automation will happen instantly, right on your desk, without ever touching the cloud. For the USA audience, where productivity and prosumer workflows drive the market, this makes the M5 Mac Mini the most dangerous competitor to high-end Windows workstations. When we look at the physical design, the rumors are split. Some leakers suggest that after the massive redesign we saw recently, Apple will stick to the current compact footprint, but focus entirely on internal thermals. Others are hinting at a Pro-exclusive chassis that might feature even more aggressive cooling to handle the M5 Pro and potentially an M5 Max variant, something Mac Mini fans have been begging for. Imagine having the power of a Mac Studio tucked behind your monitor or hidden under your desk. The connectivity is another area where 2026 will see a jump. We are looking at the standard inclusion of Thunderbolt 5 across the Pro models, offering 80 gigabits per second of bandwidth. This isn't just about faster file transfers. It's about the ability to drive multiple 6K or even 8K displays with a single cable, turning a tiny box into a command center for creators and developers alike. The pricing strategy for 2026 is where things get truly interesting. Apple knows that the economy is a major factor for buyers right now. To maintain its dominance, rumors suggest Apple might actually keep the base price at that sweet spot of $599. But with a massive catch, the base RAM might finally start at 24 gigabytes or even 32 gigabytes to accommodate the memory-hungry requirements of local AI models. If this holds true, the M5 Mac Mini will effectively kill the budget PC market for anyone doing creative work. Why would you build a bulky, loud tower when this silent, energy-efficient cube outperforms it in every metric? As we look toward the projected late 2026 release window, the question isn't just about the specs, it's about the ecosystem. The M5 Mac Mini is rumored to be the first device to fully leverage the next generation of macOS, which is expected to feature deep integration with Apple's rumored AR/VR hardware. This desktop could become the processing hub for your entire digital life. Every leak, every benchmark, and every supply chain report is pointing to the same conclusion. The M5 Mac Mini is no longer the mini version of anything. It is the definitive desktop for the next 5 years. If you're a video editor, a coder, or just someone who wants a computer that will never slow down, the 2026 M5 Mac Mini is the device you've been waiting for. Stay tuned as we dive deep. deeper into the specific benchmark leaks that show just how far ahead Apple is moving compared to the rest of the industry.